Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 14. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see it, you can then let go. I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to be wasting you guys' time. This is just a force reset. So if you need your phone to turn on and off, this is the video. You can let go. If you guys are here for like a password reset or anything like that, this isn't the video. I do have videos on that as well. And there you guys go.